Volcanoes tap the inner earth, releasing certain elements into the environment in much higher levels than normal. Some can be harmful. Mattia and Dario are interested in one particular element, fluorine, that dissolves in water to form fluoride. Many of the townspeople have brown stained teeth. Not a sign of neglect, but possibly a condition known as fluorosis. Too much fluoride in their diet. Around the world, sodium fluoride is often added to drinking water. At low concentrations, it helps prevent cavities, but at higher levels, it can cause problems. Mattia and Dario measure the levels of fluoride.
The limit of this machine is 10 parts per million, and it says over the limit.
The water has levels of fluoride around 10 times the recommended safe limits. Concentrations that can damage teeth, bones, joints, and even organ function. And there is no easy remedy.
Presently, we don't have any solution, because the best solution should be to bring water from very far from here in Masisi area. It's very...
It's 20, 30 kilometers. This is not only this village. It's more or less 100,000 people or more that live in the area.
There's another effect of the elements thrown out by the volcano, one that benefits the community. Between eruptions, the lava and ash break down, releasing nutrients into the soil and creating incredibly rich and productive farmland. It's why the market is full of food. For local people, this combination of risks and benefits can lead to a complex mindset of both fear and appreciation of the volcano.